If you've ever searched SAM.gov, you already know how overwhelming it can be, and finding the right one takes time. That's exactly why SAM Checker was created. Getting started is simple. Just head to the Chrome Web Store, search for SAM Checker, and install the free extension. It only takes a few seconds. Once it's installed, pin it to your browser so it's always one click away. Then refresh SAM.gov and open the extension. Click Scan, and SAM Checker immediately analyzes every opportunity on the page. You'll see the Page Next button. Quickly move between pages. And in the free version, you'll be able to review the top 5 ranked opportunities. When you open an opportunity, you'll notice the Intel panel is available with Pro. Upgrading is quick. Just click Unlock Pro, complete the secure checkout, and your license key is generated instantly. Copy your license key, return to SAM.gov, open the extension settings, paste the key into the activation box, and click Activate. That's it, you're ready to go. After refreshing the page, you'll unlock the full experience. Scan again, browse up to 25 ranked opportunities instead of 5. Move through pages with the navigation buttons and watch for gold opportunities, contracts that stand out as some of the strongest matches. You can also save opportunities with a single click for later review. Now, when you open a contract, the full Intel panel is available, giving you an instant breakdown of the opportunity. Your saved opportunities become even more useful by displaying each opportunity's score, along with the response due date. Also, if you're focused on simplified acquisition procedures, simply switch to the SAP filter. SAM Checker will identify qualifying opportunities. Spend less time searching, more time bidding. Download SAM Checker today and start finding better opportunities faster.